जय हिंद दोस्तों। द जोश पॉड आज आपके लिए लेके आया है एक वीडियो ऑन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अ डिमांडेड टॉपिक, दैट इज हाउ टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स इफेक्टिवली फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, बी इट एनी एग्जाम, यूपीएससी, एनडीए और इवन इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एसएसबी, एनी एग्जाम, बट न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना इज मस्ट एंड इफेक्टिवली पढ़ना इज अनदर important skill that you need to have. So this video is being made on the demand of aspirants जो जोशपॉट के साथ में attached हैं, and even those who have communicated to us that they need something which can guide them on how to read a newspaper effectively. So before diving into the video, I would like to reveal a small surprise that the Josh Squad is having for you guys. And on this Sunday, we'll be putting up a video which will contain the most important news from each day's newspapers. Please watch that video. It will be really helpful for you guys. Now, starting with the topic, the art of reading a newspaper effectively for competitive exams, it can be summarized into 5 points. First, and the most important point, is to choose a good newspaper. सबसे पहले, please don't go for Hindi newspapers. ठीक है? Then English newspapers में my personal choice is The Hindu. Indian Express is also good. The Times of India is also good. Hindustan Times is also good. But if you can read and can go for The Hindu, then it is a better option over others. The second is to divide the newspaper into sections. The first and the most important section is national news. Now, within the national news, please don't focus on any news which you come across. सबसे ज़रूरी है गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है, what are the bills being passed, what are the policy changes that are being made, what are the government schemes that are being implemented. Now, once you're done with the national news, you can move on to international news. International news में the first and the foremost is India's relations with its neighbors, be it Pakistan, be it China, be it Sri Lanka or any other close nation to India. And once you're done with them, then you move on to India's relations with other nations. The next is, and my favorite is, editorials in a newspaper. These editorials, they are very important. एक particular topic के बारे में, if you want to have the opinion of one side, every topic has two sides. There is a positive opinion, there is a negative opinion. If you want to have a know about of what is the positive opinion on a particular topic, you can read the editorials. Even you can go for the negative opinion also. But please don't have just one opinion. दोनों opinion होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then only you will be able to clearly understand that topic. The next important section is science and tech. Science and tech पे आपके बहुत questions पूछे जाते हैं in competitive exams. Please focus on them. What ISRO is doing? What are the chemicals, new chemicals being made? What are the new things being discovered in the field of science and technology? Okay. The next important thing is environment. See, environment nowadays is a very important topic, and every competitive exam is asking questions related to environment. Global warming है, climate changes हैं, cyclones हैं, anything. Please read about them. The names of the cyclones, global warming के क्या effect हो रहे हैं recently, what are the conferences being held to curb these climate changes. These are important. And the last section is that you must read is sports. Now, sports may, being an Indian, we are naturally inclined towards cricket, but cricket is something that is not generally asked in competitive exams. So, sports like what is happening in Olympics, that recently Paralympics, which recently concluded. Okay, badminton, and not the F1 races, badminton, then not football. So certain sports which are covered in competitive exams, only those sports news must be read by you. Then the third important point for effective newspaper reading is a strategy, that is 5W and 1H strategy. Now this 5W, the first stands for what, that is what happened. When you come across a news, you must know what happened. The second is who was involved. The third is when did it happen, the time stamp, it is a must. The fourth is where did it happen. And the fifth is why it is important for you, for your nation, for the country. Then 1H. That 1H stands for how will it affect your own nation or the world as a whole. So these are the key points you must focus on. जब भी तुम कोई भी न्यूज़ पढ़ो, please focus on these key points, and this is a strategy which you can adopt. The next point is note making. So जब न्यूज़ पढ़ते हो, please keep a diary with yourself and keep on noting things which are related to these 5 W's and 1H. You can note them topic wise or you can note them day wise. That is up to you, but making notes is important. And the last but not the least is focusing on the vocabulary. बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं हु कम टू अस आस्किंग कि सर हमारी इंग्लिश बहुत वीक है, हमारी वोकेबलरी बहुत वीक है. नाउ न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग इज अ double game, you know. Newspaper reading can help you in gaining knowledge as well and can improve your vocabulary also. So please focus on the new words which you are reading in the newspapers, note them down, research their meaning and even write sentences on them. वो एक तरीका है जिससे वो वर्ड्स तुम्हारे दिमाग में बैठेंगे. Okay, so these are the 5 points which I'll summarize once again for effective newspaper reading. First is the choice of the newspaper. Second is reading the sections, the important sections, national news, international news, then environment, sports, and other sections. Then the third is the strategy of 5W and 1H. The fourth is note making, and the fifth is focusing on the vocabulary. Now, for you, we'll dive into the newspaper of the Hindu, and I'll explain it to you that how I go through that newspaper if I was an aspirant. सो गाइस, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर के एक छोटे से ब्रीफ एनालिसिस ऑफ इट. एंड पहले से ही वी हैव हाईलाइटेड सम ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़, या एक तरीके से जो आपको पढ़नी चाहिए न्यूज़पेपर में वो न्यूज़ वी हैव हाईलाइटेड. And the first one is Bangladesh to seek Hasina's extradition from India. Now, this is something that will affect or that may affect the relations of India and Bangladesh. So this is something you need to study in detail. Okay, इसमें कुछ ऐसी terminologies होंगी that you will research, you will gain information, and that is important for you. Then GOM to decide on tax on health life covers soon. So this is related to economy. A good section, a must read section of the newspaper. Then we have for you the Delhi government imposes ban on firecrackers till January 1. This is related to climate. It may or may not be asked in the competitive exams, but it is related to the environment section of the newspaper. A big yes for the news. Then we have friendly fight looms over 25 seats as Mayawati struggles for consensus. It is a political news. अगर तुम्हारा मन है पढ़ने का, you like them to read, then you can definitely read. But these news are not to be asked in any of the competitive exams. Then we move on to another news, that is here plea to disqualify BRS MLAs in 4 weeks, says High Court. Again, the news might be important in another scenarios, but for competitive exams it is not important. Political news पढ़ना है पढ़ सकते हो, नहीं पढ़ना है you can leave it. Then we have editorial, my favorite, the editorial page of the Hindu. Taking TB seriously, something that affects India and is related to the health sector, so it is an important thing. Then we have next census should be the last enumeration based one, and this is one of the most important news because census has been delayed for almost 4 years now. Or this you must be knowing about census, because what caused the delay, what are the factors that are causing the delay. Okay, ये पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. Please dive deep into this article. Then we have over 70% child deaths in India are linked to malnutrition. Another important news, you must read it. These stats and whatever news we have discussed so far, in news को तुम बिल्कुल divide कर सकते हो in those 5W and 1H strategy. That is an effective way of reading the news. Then we move on to our next news, which says Congress demands dismissal of Bireen government. Another political news. Might be important in some another scenario, but not important for your competitive exams. If you want to read, you can. At BRICS summit in Russia, Duval may meet Chinese Minister Wang Yi. Now this is something that comes in the international news, and most importantly these relations of India and China. You must go through it. ऐसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन इसमें से नहीं पूछे जा सकते हैं, मे भी पूछे जा सकते हैं, बट व्हेन यू रीड इट you will have some terms which you don't know about, and when you go on Google and उसके बारे में तुम ढूंढोगे, you'll definitely increase your knowledge about these relations between India and China. कुछ ना कुछ नया मिलके ही आएगा. Then after that we have India UAE impact for civil nuclear cooperation, a big yes for the news. This is how, or something that will impact the relations of India and UAE. Okay, so again go through this news, divide it in 5 W's and 1 H, make notes, and this is how you'll remember the news. This is how you'll remember it for your competitive exams. The next we move on to is another news for you, which is EU says it has credible information that Iran supplied ballistic missiles to Russia. Now एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो this is something which is not affecting India, and it might affect the world, but these news won't be asked in your competitive exams. इंडिया इससे अफेक्ट हो रहा होता तो एक बारी को शायद पूछा भी जा सकता, बट दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल इंक्लाइंड न्यूज, सो यू मे रीड इट बट अगेन नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड प्लीज डोंट वरी कि कौन सी न्यूज़ पढ़नी है, अगर अभी भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ है कौन सी नहीं पढ़नी है. ऑन संडे विल, और every Sunday we'll try to bring for you a video on the most important and the most relatable news for your competitive exams, where we will be guiding you on what is to be read and what is to be left. That one video from our side is sufficient for your competitive exams. Sinner sweeps to his second Grand Slam title in a style. Sports news which is of relevance. Tennis, these news are asked in sport. Cricket, it won't be asked. Paralympics ends with music fueled closing ceremony. Then again Paralympics, need to know. Closing ceremony के बारे में पता हो ना हो वो अलग बात है, but who were the leads of the closing ceremony ये पता होना जरूरी है. Okay, and how many medals India won, all these things are must know. Then again cricket is not something you should touch for your competitive exams in the sports news sections. Football again is not something that will be asked in your competitive exams. Badminton is asked. Table tennis, it may be asked. Okay, so this is how you should approach the newspaper, and my personal choice is the Hindu. Otherwise you can prefer reading Hindustan Times, Times of India, or any other newspaper you feel is good for you. So that was from our side in today's video, how you should read a newspaper effectively in order to crack your competitive exams, or the GS section of the competitive exams at least. And we practically showed you also कि एक न्यूज़पेपर फॉर एग्जांपल द हिंदू we took, उसको कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए. And we are trying to bring every Sunday a video for you wherein the most important news segregated day wise for that for the past week will be provided to you. Sunday को आप free हो 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा, please watch that video. It will be of utmost importance, and it will be really good if you do the analysis of the newspaper also after going through that video. So that's it from today's video, and thank you for joining us. Jai Hind.